This week's New to Loo 2 is your instant storage solution designed for your everyday needs. The InstaCrate by a company called Greenmade is a collapsible storage container made from 100% recyclable plastic. They are awesome for the home, the office, the studio, and have about 1 million different uses. When opened, the 12-gallon crate expands to 21 inches long and about 12 inches high, and when flat, it shrinks down to less than 3 inches tall. And they're super easy to flip down. You just push in the walls and down they go. Personally, I would keep these things in my car. I've always got stuff rolling around back there, like the watermelon last week. That was fun. But they'd also be great for hauling gear from one place to the next. Hey, college students. Or organizing letter-sized hanging files in your office. It's even got built-in file folder rails. InstaCrates are 100% made in the USA and are available on Amazon and other home stores. But if you're lucky enough, they are currently on sale at your local Costco for just $5.99. A steal! So load up on them. They're also easy to stack too, so it's a win-win. For more information, visit HouseSmartsRadio.com.
That's this week's New to